It's another how-to video. This time we're going to change the spark plug on this Vanguard engine. Pretty easy. I know people are saying, Brian, come on, change the spark plug. Not everybody knows how to do it. So we'll show you real quick. There's the boot. Take that off. 5/8 inch socket. Put that on the spark plug. Gonna pull this spark plug out of here. And we're going to look at the end of it because that's pretty telling. What color your spark plug tip is pretty important. This one looks really good. Coffee brown is the normal color on the end of a spark plug. That's what they say anyway. Now, if you had white, crusty buildup on the end of this, that could be a sign of too much oil in the crankcase. You might want to check your oil level. And then also if it's really dark, almost black around here, and it's kind of like powdery, it's not wet, but it's powdery, that could be a clogged air filter. I've seen that before too. So we have another plug here. I'll show you how to gap this one. Part number for the spark plug, by the way, is on the screen right now. That's a spark plug gapping tool. $2, $3, something at the automotive store. Easy to read. On this plug, you want to be between 0.028 and 0.031. That's exactly where that one is, 0.031. So that's how you measure that gap there. Pretty essential for the engine to run right. You turn around, reverse order, put that plug back in. Hand start it. I like to do that. That way you don't cross-thread it. That's never good. If you need to buy a spark plug or any other Permagreen part, you can go to our website. We have online shopping now, permagreen.com. It's great, too. You can use it, all hours of the day or night. Maybe you've been working all day long. And you say, oh, I can't order parts till 8 o'clock at night. No problem. Order parts at 8 o'clock at night. A lot of people do now. Free shipping over $50 too. That's good. You put that back on and you've changed a spark plug. How easy was that? Took what? A couple minutes? Cheap insurance to have a new spark plug in there. Hey, we have plenty of how-to videos. Check them all out on our YouTube channel. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel too, and just watch them all. Good times.